Welcome to Worldwide Business. I'm Kathy Ireland. Inflamed and red skin conditions often lead a person to multiple doctor visits, treatments with varied results, and in some cases, the feeling of just wanting to hide. Psoria-Gold is giving people new hope to show off their skin. Founder and research physician Dr. Madalene Heng is here to share her discoveries that have revolutionized skincare. Welcome, Dr. Heng.
Thank you, Kathy, for inviting me.
Dr. Heng, as a dermatologist, have you noticed an increasing trend towards patients asking for more natural and less invasive solutions to their skin problems?
Yes, I have, particularly in the more educated populations. They are more concerned about toxicity. In general, natural products are less toxic than drugs. To tell the truth, not all natural products are the same. So you have to be selective.
Right.
So the one I have is an excellent anti-inflammatory agent, and we use it to complement current therapies, something like integrative medicine. When we do that, it synergizes and produces a greater anti-inflammatory effect than the drug alone. So it gives us the option of choosing a less potent drug with more benign side effects and avoid the more potent drugs that are expensive with undesirable side effects. Then we incorporate lifestyle changes as a global treatment for the patients.
Dr. Heng, could you please explain what is curcumin gel?
Curcumin gel, as we have it, is a topical application with a gel base containing curcumin extract. And curcumin is the active ingredient in the spice turmeric and has been used as an anti-inflammatory agent by East Asians for many centuries.
And what makes curcumin extract so special?
It is an excellent anti-inflammatory agent with unique healing and repair properties, which we will discover as we go along. I show you more of my patients before and after pictures of the patients that I have treated.
Oh, that's incredible. Well, in this Worldwide Business Field Report, we'll take a closer look at how people are benefiting from Psoria-Gold curcumin gel.
Psoria-Gold Curcumin Gel is a U.S. company that was created and produced by world-renowned Dr. Madalene Heng. Dr. Heng teaches her medical students and patients that healthy skin is a life choice and believes that Psoria-Gold Curcumin Gel, used in conjunction with a daily regimen of skincare, could be the answer to many of the key skin problems like psoriasis, eczema, and rosacea.
Curcumin gel is a very natural product that's from curcumin and turmeric, and it's very smooth and nice textures, and the results of the products is so amazing that my skin is very healthy right now. The curcumin gel treatment is very instant, not like IPL or the laser therapy. It's non-invasive and very safe, no side effect treatment. After I start treating with curcumin gel for my rosacea, my reddish face got cured within 1 or 2 months, and so quickly. I was so amazed.
I believe curcumin gel is a quality product patient can trust because there is so much medically proven research by Hemmings. What is more, there are no side effects like laser treatment. I have so many patients looking for the treatment of photoaging, especially melasma. We combine curcumin gel and IPL and laser treatment as well.
With continued use of Psoria-Gold, patients are having amazing results, with several alleviating long-term psoriasis, rosacea, and eczema, and developing beautiful skin that not only changes the outer appearance, but affects the inner self and alleviates the self-conscious feeling associated with bad skin.
I have had issues with my left ear for 10 years. I could never find anybody to help me. And my primary doctor suggested Dr. Heng, and so when I came to see her, she immediately knew what was going on and was able to start me on a program to get it better. Because she told me about diet changes and how it affects my skin and everything, it also affected the rest of me being able to be a better wellness person as far as following her instructions.
I came to Dr. Heng because I had noticed a little bump on the side of my nose. And I didn't think too much about it at first, but I noticed after a time, and in looking back on it, it was actually a couple of years, I noticed that it had actually gotten bigger. Dr. Heng did an evaluation, took a little biopsy, and in fact it turned out to be basal cell carcinoma. A good portion actually needed to be removed from the side of my nose here, and Dr. Heng performed the surgery, and not only she removed the bump, but I needed to have a skin graft. So she used a flap of skin from my cheek, actually, to repair the skin so that it would match really well. And then in the process of healing, of course there were stitches and so on, but as the stitches came out and the healing was taking place, she gave me some of the product that was instrumental in really healing nicely without scarring, and it was wonderful.
Stop hiding. There's hope. Psoria-Gold Curcumin Gel can help improve your skin's appearance.
Dr. Heng, have you used curcumin gel for other skin conditions?
Yes, I have used it in all kinds of injury. Cuts and wounds and crush injury, burns and scalds. My fingers were trapped in the panels of a garage door. It was all swollen and inflamed, and there was blood under my fingernails. I happened to have curcumin gel in my pocket, so I put it on every 5 minutes. And then I went to work, and it got better. I did 3 surgeries that morning, and in 3 hours, everything went back to normal, except for a little blood under my fingernails. The crushed hand looked the same as the other. I have patients who have accidentally, while chopping chicken, chopped part of their fingernail, took the tip off. ER stuck the tip back, and we healed it without scarring. In burns and scalds, they can be reversed over a matter of hours to days.
Do you have to get the scar immediately, or if you have an old scar, will it help?
After about 6 months, I think the scar tissue is fixed, and it's really hard to reverse. But within the first 6 months, particularly within the first 2 or 3 weeks, we get excellent results with absolutely no scarring. So we use it routinely for surgical scars. We also have used it for, besides psoriasis, acne, rosacea. In those cases, we use it to complement current therapy, such as complementary medicine. And we recommend that the patients see their doctors. In many cases, if they have it available, a lot of their injuries can be reversed even before they get the chance to see the doctor.
Is it safe for children to use?
Yes, because it's made from a food stuff, and we use natural products.
I have been having problems with psoriasis for about 46 years. Normally, the dermatologist in Minnesota just gave me creams usually just to lessen the thickening of the skin, the plaque that was forming because of the psoriasis. But it really did very little to clear up any of the plaque, the itchiness, the scaliness. A very dear friend told me about Dr. Heng, about a more holistic approach that she was taking to this whole problem. And I was ready for this change. It came at just a very good time for me. She told me what I had to go through. It was not going to be an easy thing. It was going to be, it probably would take a while for this to happen, but I was willing to do that. I needed this change, and so after about, I would say 6 months to a year, I could see improvements. There was less redness on my knees. This was just covered with very red sore marks when I came in to first see Dr. Heng. And there are just a few left, little tiny bits, but nothing like it was. The psoriasis itself would diminish and it became smaller. And the best part was there was no new areas. I was not experiencing any new areas in the back of my legs, in the front of my legs. And the psoriasis that was there was actually slowly leaving. Another thing that I noticed, there was absolutely no psoriatic arthritis. I was not experiencing any, not even a small amount. It was completely gone. I really do appreciate Dr. Heng. She is so enthusiastic and so fun to be around and just has given me new hope. This journey has not been easy, but it has been totally worthwhile. I thank her so much for helping me.
Dr. Heng, can you please share how you discovered the remarkable abilities of Curcumin gel?
30 years ago, I was working on the cause of psoriasis because psoriasis was so badly treated, so devastating to patients. They want to hide, and the cost of treating psoriasis is $3 trillion a year worldwide. Wow. We don't know the cause of psoriasis, and all treatment was symptomatic, so to speak. And as soon as the treatment is stopped, the disease would recur. So it's like having a cancer that never goes away. So when you have psoriasis, they said, too bad, you have to live with it for the rest of your life. We found that if we suppressed the phosphorylase kinase activity with its inhibitor, curcumin, we would return the psoriatic skin to normal. So that gave us insight as to the cause of psoriasis, which is failure to switch off phosphorylase kinase induced by injury. The psoriatic gene is present at birth, but nothing happens until the skin is injured by cutting and wounding, by allergic reactions like hair dye allergy, allergies to black clothing, elastic clothing, nickel from coins and keys, trivalent chromates in leather products, and so on, and infection. And the genes are turned on, and the phosphorylase kinase cannot switch off on its own. But when we used curcumin gel to do it, it brought it back down to square one and returned the skin to normal.
I had tried over-the-counter treatments, topical creams and ointments, things of that nature to try and relieve the symptoms. It was almost a night and day difference, and it was almost immediate. She had prescribed a couple of creams, some antibiotics, and literally within 5 days I was noticing a vast improvement. She also prescribed a cream for nighttime use. It was based on curcumin that really did reverse the symptoms. It doesn't hurt to walk anymore. I'm a heart patient, so I have to do walking as part of my cardio regimen. And with the psoriasis of my feet, that prevented me from following that prescription. What she's been able to help me do is regain my mobility and my endurance and allow me to walk without pain, without limping, which is added stress on my body. While it hasn't been cured, the treatment's still ongoing. It's almost normal. I have no problems whatsoever with walking, with running, with standing. My job requires a lot of that. I can't say it's cured, but sure feels like it. A lot better.
Dr. Heng, you mentioned having used curcumin gel for sunburn in your practice. Does this mean that you've used it for chronic sun damage?
Yes, we are really excited about chronic damage because nearly all of us will go through sun-damaged skin and aging. This is a really good time to introduce the concept of curcumin-induced apoptosis. When you have sun damage causes damage to the DNA by both rays, the ultraviolet B that causes sunburn and ultraviolet A doesn't seem to cause sunburn but has deep penetrating properties, and they damage the DNA nevertheless. So when the strands of DNA are damaged, the body cuts them out and replaces the nucleotides. Mistakes are made when large segments of the DNA are involved, or both strands are involved, and they cannot use one strand to copy the nucleotides into the other strand. Right. The repair process takes a long time and is really hard to do. Takes a lot out of the patient, and they make mistakes. Yeah. And the remaining cell becomes eventually a cancer cell. So it has malignant potential when they heal with mistakes. Curcumin has the ability to sense it, and they decide to cause a damaged cell to commit suicide.
Wow.
So when you remove that damaged cell,
right,
you leave a space for replacement by a new healthy cell.
大友香織です。眼科医をしております。順天堂大学と渋谷セントラルクリニックで外来と研究をしております。アトピー性皮膚炎や主査の患者さんを見ています。クルクミンは抗炎症作用を有しておりまして、とても使いやすいお薬です。また従来のステロイドや免疫抑制剤と違って副作用がないために安心して患者さんに長期処方も可能です。私は多くの患者さんにクルクミンジェルを使っていますが、今までステロイドや免疫抑制剤を使わないと炎症が治まらないような患者様にもクルクミンを使うことで炎症を制御できるような体験を何度もしております。クルクミンは天然の成分で、副作用もありませんので、一度炎症が制御された後でもいい状態を保つために続けて使っているのではないかと思います。
私の名前は田辺和香と申します。川村先生にお世話になって5年が経ちます。私はクルクミンジェルを5年間使っています。5年間の間、年々肌が改善していくことを感じております。クルクミンジェルの効果には大変満足をしております。肌にしみることもなく、とても肌が改善されると考えています。もちろんです。皆さんにこのジェルを使っていただいて、皆さんの肌が改善することを願っております。
Dr. Heng, are you saying this could prevent skin cancer?
We think if you use it and it gets rid of the damaged cells, so if you have a barrel of good and bad apples and you throw the bad apples out, and you put good apples in, you end up with more good apples. And so we think it has great potential as an anti-aging agent. And so that's the reason why you can heal a second-degree burn in 5 days. But the cell is so damaged, the body takes ages to repair it, and they repair with scarring. So the damaged cells opt to die. Curcumin-induced apoptosis, leaving space for replacement by sheets of new healthy cells with no scars.
緑川さえみです。半年ほど川村先生に見ていただいてます。全身、特に顔とか頭に炎症が出まして、夜眠れない、痒くて血だらけになってしまう、髪の毛が抜けるということがあったので、何しろ痒みを止めたくて川村先生のところに行きました。全身に炎症が出て、熱が出て、痒くて眠れないとか、髪の毛が抜けてしまったりとかっていうのがあったので、何しろ、痒みを止めていただきたくて川村先生のところに行きました。とても軽いジェルで水のような感じで全然重くない塗り心地でした。で、最初は効くのかなと思ったんですけれども、 1週間ぐらいでかゆみが収まって2週間ぐらいで全身の赤みが消えました。ただ頭皮の方はまだ残っていて塗り続けています。塗った感じが本当に水のように軽くて肌を塞ぐような感じがなくて、本当に全身に使って大丈夫な軽いジェルでした。クルクミンジェルを使う前は、お化粧水を塗って美容液を塗ってその上からクリームを塗ってというふうにいろいろなプロダクツを使っていたんですけれども、このジェルを使うようになってからお風呂上がりにこれだけで済むようになりました。またお化粧も薄くて済むようになりましたので、本当に肌そのものがきれいになるとっても素晴らしいジェルだと思います。
Dr. Heng, can you apply raw turmeric powder to the skin?
Yes, you can. For many centuries, the Indians have put curcumin on their skin, but they turn out to be bright yellow. Our product does not stain.
Beautiful. And you have beautiful skin too.
And so instead of staining the skin bright yellow and looking yellow for many months, this thing washes off and doesn't stain the skin.
And Dr. Heng, what makes Psoriasis-Gold Curcumin Gel unique?
We think it's the only product, as far as I know, that blocks phosphorylase kinase, which is released 5 minutes after injury. And that's the reason for its great anti-inflammatory activity. And because it has the ability to cause cells that are very damaged to die, instead of trying to repair them and making mistakes, curcumin-induced apoptosis, it has great healing properties. And on top of everything, it has no toxicity, very low allergic potential, and it does not stain the skin.
Wow, and where can this be purchased?
You can check its website, Psoriagold.com, or do a website search, Psoriagold Curcumin Gel.
Wonderful, and we don't need a prescription.
You don't need a
right?
prescription. Yeah.
Well, it seems like Psoriasis-Gold Curcumin Gel can be used to address a breadth of skin concerns. What do skeptics say?
We are trained. You know, I was an academic doctor. I'm still academic because I give lectures all over the world. We believe that we are all trained to be skeptics. And we need data, studies, publications.
Right.
And we have supported our observations by publications in peer-reviewed journals. And we think we are further supported by the hundreds, if not thousands, of patients that have benefited from curcumin gel. They're all walking out there talking about it.
With continued use of Psoriasis-Gold, patients are having amazing results, with several alleviating long-term psoriasis, rosacea, and eczema, and developing beautiful skin that not only changes the outer appearance, but affects the inner self and alleviates the self-conscious feeling associated with bad skin.
I had a very severe burn all over my legs. I was very concerned about having scarring on such a large area of my body, you know, being able to wear shorts. So I'm very happy with the outcome.
People think that getting help means paying a lot of money or going through some extensive treatment requiring, you know, a lot of effort. But Dr. Heng's method is very easy to do. It's very doable. And if I didn't have this, if I didn't come to Dr. Heng, I'm pretty sure that I would still be struggling with acne, and I'm pretty sure that I would have spent a lot more money than I have spent. This is a very healthy, natural way to get better.
Psoriasis-Gold recommends working in conjunction with your doctor to design a skincare regimen that will deliver results and repair skin damage. Stop hiding. There's hope. Psoriasis-Gold Curcumin Gel can help improve your skin's appearance.
Dr. Heng, it seems Like your years of diligent research have paid off and people are finally able to experience relief that they've been seeking. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Kathy. I have enjoyed talking with you.
Thank you. And for Worldwide Business, I'm Kathy Ireland. Thank you for watching.